Mga kapuso, karong buntaga ato makauban ang usa ka Mindanaoan singer nga si Keivhan Paul Flaired. Good morning, Keivhan, ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka?
I'm all right, and thank you for everything that God blessings that given me my life for this opportunity.
Ayan. So, Keivhan, how did you start your career in singing?
I started career in singing when I was younger age, maybe the consist of 3 years old until now. And then when I started influence up there, it was I'm singing like the standard songs like Frank Sinatra or Matt Monroe at least. And later, when I was going to teenager or something, I went to the grunge, alternative rock, and post-grunge scenes.
Ayan. So, Keivhan, you are into rock genre. How did rock songs change your life?
So for me, I could do also na pwede po ko ma-influence sa sa pop rock, pwede po ko sa dance rock a little bit, just like pareha ng Foo Fighters, AWOL Nation, and then the All American Rejects, the Click 5, and then Michael Learns to Rock, Papaman Ato, Sunod Ato, kaning The Starting Line, o tanang mga klaseng favorites na ako, mo na akong influences. Tama day, lastly, Lifehouse o Augustana, mo na murag nakadala sa akong influence. Pati akong idol po na ako na singer-songwriter na Scottish-American na si Ben Yellen. Although, ang yang songs, gwapo, putok kay siya sa in the year 2004 called Come On. So, moto, pwede po sa tanang genre, musakay po ko. So, I gotta insert inside any kinds of genre, I could jump in to start inside.
Ayan. So, isip rock singer, unsa ang naa sa rock songs nga unique sa tanaw nimo compared sa laing genre?
Listen to the songs, and then if you want to get something on yourself, the beginner at all, so sulat jud ka sa imong sinugdanan sa imong kinabuhi, and then i-dedicate mo sa ubang tao, just like you doing something really inspired to the other people. So that's why others, they want to continue music because sometimes music could heal our lives forever.
Ayan. Doon na kay pipila ka mga albums nga na-release, and ang latest mo ang Walk, Run, and Jump to the Notes. Unsa ang inspiration nimo sa paghimo niini and ang message sub sa maong album?
That album, it's stories about my journey towards the music. So ako ang pagsimula sa akong kinabuhi. So moto murag something slightly poem, and then something slightly called the juncture of the presence of my story, and then also part of my life entails just like my grandfather helped me through a lot.
So at this point, ginahulat sab ni sa atong mga kapuso viewers, pwede ba ka muhatag daw og sample alang kanila?
Shadows fill an empty heart, slums fading for all the things that we are or not saying. Can we see beyond the scars to make it to the dawn? Changing colors of the sky and open up to ways to make me feel alive. Days I loved you for all the things that never die. Can make it through the night. Love will find you. What about now? What about today? What if you make me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Maybe before it's too late. What about now?
Yan, ang galing. I'm sure na-inspire ang ating mga viewers, and of course, maraming salamat Keivhan Paul Flaired sa time nga gihatag nimo sa amo dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. God bless and stay safe always.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.